Hey guys, and welcome to another Photoshop tutorial here on psdvault.com YouTube channel. And in this tutorial, I'm gonna quickly show you the method I use to create this melting gold text effect in Photoshop. I won't be showing you the full tutorial in this video, but if you wanted to check it out, you can just click on the link below. In this video tutorial, I'll just be showing you the process of making this text gold and also apply the melting effect using a custom brush. Alright, let's get started. So as you can see, I've already created the text onto our canvas. The next step will be covering the text with some gold texture. This is actually pretty easy, so I've got a golden texture here. So all we need to do is just to select a portion of the texture and copy and paste that onto our document and just resize that roughly the size of our text. And then just go to this new layer and right click and go to create clipping mask. This will set this gold texture layer as a clipping mask to the text layer below. What we can also do is we can duplicate this golden texture layer and then just right click on the duplicated layer and go to clipping mask option again. And this time I'm going to resize that down to a smaller size, so we're just covering the right side of the text. And this time I'm going to set this layer blending mode to vivid light. So as you can see, this creates another color depth for our text. In the right side of the text a little bit more stand out than. Alright, so we're going to create a new layer because we're going to apply some melting effect. So this is also a very easy process, so we can go into this brush tool and just choose one of the custom brush. I've got the download link below. You can just go there and just download this brush pack. What I did is I used this first one here. Just select the first one and then go to this gold texture file, create a new layer and just paint this layer with this brush, and then we're gonna hold down the control key and left click, and that will select this brush layer, and we're gonna go back to the background layer and just copy this selection by pressing Ctrl C. I'm gonna paste this layer back to our document. And once you paste the layer, I'm gonna just resize this layer right down. I'm gonna cover this half of this accent T text, and then we're gonna set this layer blend mode to vivid light. As you can see, the new layer sort of blend perfectly with the background layer and also adding some textures over our text. We can also grab the eraser tool, choose a soft eraser, and just gently go over the edge. So this creates a fade effect. So yeah, and then we can just simply duplicate this layer a few times and just resize that and make so they look slightly different from each other. Make sure you maintain the blend mode to vivid light, and we can also experiment with the other set of brush. And then we're just gonna create a new layer again. Just select this layer, go back to the background layer and copy the selection. And then we're going to just copy that and paste that onto the document. Again, we wanted to set this layer blend mode to vivid light, and just fade the top edges. And then we're going to duplicate this layer several times as well. Just resize that. And then slightly different from each other. We can also create some highlights. So the way we do it is to just delete this whole lot, and then we're just gonna use the elliptical marquee tool, set the feather to 40 pixel, and just select a portion like that and just copy that, and then we can go back to our text, paste that onto our document, and then we're gonna cover the text roughly with this new layer, and then we're gonna set it to vivid light again. And this time we wanted to reduce the opacity to about 40%. And there it is. Yeah, so that's pretty much it for this tutorial. I hope you're enjoying the process, and once again, if you wanted to check out the full tutorial, just click on the link below, and I've got a step-by-step tutorial on my blog, psdvault.com. Alright, until next time, have a great day.